How to add 3D Zoom Pro effect on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see, this is the home page. Now you can upload a photo from here or just choose from your drafts. I already have this photo. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go down here and click on edit. Now go right here, swipe right until you find style, click on style, and now swipe right until you find 3D Zoom Pro, click on it, and now let's see the result together and let's play the video. As you can see, it looks so good and professional. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.